Hi everybody, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is marketing, what is advertising, what is branding and what is publicity. Different people have different ideas or different definitions for all these things, but in this video I'm telling you what I feel, what is my thought process of marketing, advertising, publicity and branding. So if you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button below. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. See, marketing is very important in our daily life. Everywhere we need marketing. When you go for interviews, job interviews, there also you're doing marketing. What kind of marketing? You are marketing yourself in front of the HR or in front of the interviewer. People, job seekers, they sit in front of the HR and they are selling their skills. They are giving their resume in front of the HR and they're telling that these are my skills, hire me. That is nothing, that is a part of marketing itself. So not only business owners means definitely they will market their products and services, but also job seekers, a normal person who is going for interviews, even he also is doing marketing only. So in that way, marketing is very important for everybody, not only business owners but job seekers, people who are sitting at home, people who are homemakers. For everybody, marketing is very important. That is the reason I have created this video, to make you understand the difference between marketing, advertising, branding, publicity, and to some extent sales, pre-sales and post-sales also. Now all of you watch this video till the end, because at the end I will be explaining you about a scenario and I will also explain you how marketing, advertising, branding and publicity are related to this story. Now if you do not agree with my definition or my ideas about these four terms, then you can definitely comment below. I will be happy to answer you. I will be happy to clarify you as well. Now let us start with what is marketing. For me, marketing is understanding the market and providing the customers their requirement in exchange of a profit. For me, marketing is understanding the market, understanding the customer's requirement and providing them their requirement with the exchange of some profit, some monetary exchange kind of thing. Now that is marketing as per me. Now advertising is something where you are promoting a brand, promoting a product or a service with the help of some medium. This medium can be a piece of paper, this medium can be an individual, this medium can be a space somewhere on the wall or on TV or on social media, anywhere. So with the help of this medium, if we are promoting some product or services or some brand, that is called as advertisement. Branding is where we already have a mindset about a brand. For example, let us take an example of Nike or Adidas or Samsung. Now Samsung, we all know they are a mobile phone. They have very good mobile phone, so we already have made a mindset about that brand. So that identity is that identity creation, and with the help of that identity creation, selling the goods or selling the products is something called as branding. There is also something called publicity is where people are talking about a product or people are talking about the services, and that is getting spread. I mean to say, word of mouth marketing, or people are speaking about that product and services. That is how publicity is done. Now I'll share you one scenario, or I will share you one incident. Let us assume you and your friend you were going on a bike somewhere. Now at the traffic signal, you saw a small boy and he was distributing some pamphlets. You take a pamphlet and you see that there is 60% discount on TVs, LCD TVs or any good TV. There is 60% discount you see in that pamphlet. From many months you were thinking, you were planning to buy a TV, but you were postponing that thing. Now you are seeing 60% discount, and you're at the very first beginning itself you are interested. You also see that the showroom that is giving 60% discount is also very close to your location or close to your house. You take that pamphlet, you go home, you do not discuss with anybody. Now the same day, somebody, maybe your neighbor or your relative, somebody informs your family, maybe your mother or your family member, that there is this showroom who is selling, or they are giving, or they're selling their TVs with 60% discount on very branded TV, let us assume that. Now you also hear this conversation, your mom is speaking to the neighbor, or your mom is speaking on the phone about this conversation, and you strike the same thing, Arey ha, I have to buy this TV, kind of thing. Now after 2 days you take that pamphlet and you walk into the showroom, and at the beginning itself the showroom person, they greet you like, namaste sir, please come in, kind of thing. You go inside the showroom and you tell that I saw your pamphlet, 60% discount on LG TVs or Samsung TVs and Toshiba and all those Panasonic TVs, and you have come seeing that pamphlet, and you inform the showroom owner or showroom manager, showroom in charge. Now they call a boy, Are come here, sir needs this TV, sir, show sir all the TVs, kind of thing. That boy, that person, he takes you and he starts showing you all the televisions, all the TVs, and they started explaining you all the features and things like that. Meanwhile they offer you some tea, or tea, coffee, or cold drink, kind of thing. Now after that you select a TV, you go to the billing counter and you pay for the TV, and you take the TV and you go home. After 1 month the same showroom also calls you back, and they ask you, sir, you have bought a TV from us, how is the service, how was the installation service, how is the TV working, any problems or not, and things like that. Now in all this thing, this whole scenario or a whole story, you tell me what is marketing, what is advertising, what is branding, what is publicity. You can also understand what is sales, what is pre-sales, and what is post-sales. Now I'll tell you, the small boy who was distributing the pamphlet, you saw the pamphlet, that is a medium. So you understood, you came to know about the product this showroom is selling. You understood about the product, the offer. That is nothing but advertisement. You go home, you hear about the same offer through your mom or your family member. That is what publicity is happening. Now you have made your mind that you want to buy this Panasonic TV, or Toshiba TV, or some brand TV, and you definitely know that this brand, if I buy this brand, definitely the TV will be good only. You have made that identity of that brand. That brand has created their branding in such a way that whoever thinks about that brand, they will think good quality only. That is what branding is happening. Now when you walk down into the store, the showroom, when they greet you, they offer you some cold drink or tea or coffee. That is pre-sales. That is the all the activities that is done before the sales, that is called as pre-sale. You make the payment, sale is happening, that is called sales. You take the TV, you go home. After 1 month the same showroom calls you back and asks your feedback, that is called post sales. So all these things, all these strategies, all these activities are a part of marketing. Advertisement, creating the pamphlet, all these things, giving that 60% discount on the TVs, this is also a part of marketing. So advertising is a part of marketing, branding is also a part of marketing. So all these things comes under the strategies for marketing. So I think you have gotten a very clear idea about what is marketing, what is branding, what is publicity, what is advertising. I think you also got a small idea about what is sales, what is pre-sales, what is post-sales also. Now if you like this video, you can click the like button. You can also share this video with people whom you want them to understand what is marketing all about. You want them to understand the scenario advertising, how it is different than marketing and all. You can share this video with them as well. If you want to encourage me, please share this video with your family, friends, your WhatsApp groups also. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Sushmita Madhu, Instagram, Sushmita Madhu. You can also follow me on TikTok, Sushmita Madhu 7. Now that's all about this video. If you want to know more informational video, keep checking my channel Sushmita Madhu. There are so many videos in my channel. It's very good informational videos I share with all my YouTube subscriber community, I would say. So that's all about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.